Create this easy text effect in just minutes. For this, in Canva, open New Project. Type the text. Here select Impact Font. Type in all the text letter by letter. Space them evenly. Now go to Effects and choose Outline. Change outline color. Now bring the letters close like this. Change the text color to background color. Add a rectangle behind the text and change its color to outline color. Download this design. Upload this image to next page and remove its background. Now go to Elements and search for paper. Select the suitable elements. Resize them and adjust it behind the text. Once done, download this image. Bring it to the next page and remove background. Go to Edits and Shadow. Select Curved and adjust the effect. Like this, the final image inside text effect is achieved. Subscribe to the channel for more design ideas.